Hi everyone and welcome back to Easy Learning. If your ABAT exam is tomorrow or just a few days away and you are thinking, I'm not prepared enough, don't panic. In this video, I am giving you a step-by-step action plan you can follow to maximize your score, even if you are super short on time. So let's jump right in. First of all, prioritize like a pro. You don't need to know everything, you just need to know the right thing. So start with the QABA competency standard document and don't read it word by word. You basically have to skim through each section and grab the basic meaning, basic concept of every topic. Like if there is the topic of reinforcement, just get the basic concept, like reinforcement is something that increases the likelihood of future behavior. Focus on understanding, not memorizing it. The second step is about glossary being your best friend. So if you have only a few hours left, focus on the definition and glossary terms. So many MCQs come straight through these terms. Another thing you need to do is to use YouTube MCQ practice videos. So the hours that are left, you can simply watch 1 to 2 hours of MCQ exam practice videos on YouTube. You are not just learning to answer, you are learning how to think through questions. This way you will pick up on distractors, how terms are used in context, basically the most important part. Take at least one full mock exam, and this can include taking any full length mock exam like containing 80, 90 MCQ questions or even more. Now do it as if you are attempting your whole exam. Do it in a quiet space, just like a real exam. Time yourself, no notes, no breaks whatsoever. This way you will get comfortable with the exam format. Another important thing that usually people miss is speak to learn. Don't just read silently, speak out loud. Grab a friend or family member and teach them the terms, even if they have no idea what reinforcement or anything means. Teaching others is one of the fastest ways to lock in your understanding. If you can explain it, you own it. Brain breaks matter, even if you have fewest hours left. So stop studying 2 to 3 hours before your actual exam. Yes, really. Your brain needs time to process and to calm down. Go for a walk, listen to anything, breathe. You will go in. This way you will go in sharper, clearer and more confident. Go through QABA competency standard document, glossary, basically your best friend, YouTube MCQ practice, full mock exam, speak to learn. Majorly breaks matter. Even if you are low on time, you are not unprepared. This is about using the remaining hours, using your 12 to 24 hours or whatever time is left. It's about using it strategically and keeping your mindset strong. Stick to your plans and walk into your exam like a boss. Trust me, you got this. And of course, subscribe to Easy Learning for more practical study tips. Mock exams, you have already taken the first step by just being here. All the best. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now and study smart.